Sino pa? Sige pa. Oh.
To issue an executive order to the U.S. Army to recognize our services as World War II veterans. To tell you frankly, personally, I have here a document which came from the NTRC, National Personnel Record Center at St. Louis, Missouri. It is a record which says that recovered personnel division, and on the side here, a certain amount in dollars that I was paid. But when I applied for my Veterans Equity Compensation in the sum of $15,000, I was denied. Oh, what a shame on Uncle Sam, who is a tight one. I can tell you, I cannot tell you of any painful experience because I did not reach Bataan. But I have to tell you, I lost an older brother with birth at single hand, and he is working as a floor manager. The kind of one would have a different, hadn't the use